Everyone. Hello everyone, it's Peter here, Piotr Fisner. Guys, so today episode I will show you a bit different. I won't show you a repair. All the repairs are recorded over a week ahead and more is coming. It was for 2 weeks, but now it's about over a week. I'll start to record again. I would like to show you what you see here, which is shared. So you can see that I have this month 3,900 views of my business on Google. That's non-paid advertisement. That just the Google let's say views. Yes, I did try to click on an offer which is £400 in ads, for me, but unfortunately it didn't come through, so I will be closing it down. They just probably done it so so I can maybe use them. But if I can't see a better performance, and if I can't see those £400, it's not for me, because they lied. Yes, so if Google is lying, then why would use their services, like paid ones? Yes, if they are lying right now, they can lie later. Yes, so here are the performance. Wow, look, here are the performance May to October. Okay, that's the view is. But what I want to say is, to be true, it's not many calls, believe it or not. It's 5 only. June only 1 or 2, probably July, August, you see, and now October just started, so which we have 11th of October. Yes, so there is a chance that there will be few more calls. So the question is, how much paid advertisements, because I see how many new customers I have, how much I can have more, because I know this increased from 2,000 to 3,900, and I don't see more customers. I see only this number growing, 3,900 views this month. How many I could click, so that I showed it to someone? A few, but 3,900 versus about 2,000, even let's say 2,500, that's like a huge growth, yes, in views. But if you don't see the growth of the number of customers, are you keen to do the even paid now? It's like, what can I get? Because I've got only a few customers from Google. I don't have like a lot of customers from Google that I would say, oh, that changed my life. Most of the customers I have are customers which I have through word of mouth, or they brought in customers which now bring in new customers, or even these customers have brought in new customers. I've count a track, it's impossible. Yes, impossible to even track, because it's so many generations of customers which are bringing. And as you see, it's a 5. You don't see it because it's here. It's a 5 stars still. Yes, only positive comments. So so the good news is spreading. Yes, even if I would have 4 stars, come on, it's not that bad. Sexoidbuy.com shops have 3.7 to 4.2. The same with Caris PC World. Yes, the same story, 3.7 to 4.2. Whereas I'm really trying my best to keep up with it. Yes, and here were reviews somewhere. Edit profile booking, add an update. So there were updates, and I did one update. Mobile devices, products, view all. It's not about products, it's about, that's old. I should update it as well. But I've added today a okay, let's do add an update. This Okay, add update. Don't know if that, no, that won't allow. Okay, so I don't know how to look for updates. More reviews. You see, if you want to do your stuff, you see it's where are my you know, posts. They don't add new business profile, your business profiles, yes, business profile settings. You see, with a new stuff, yes, it's like not really nice, you know, not really something you want to work with. The previous, like a whole page for managing your business, was far better than it is. It's lacking of feature right now, and they are you know, and they are asking you to use it. So why you won't bring in all the stuff back which was over there? You know why? And how can I, you know, read reviews, edit profile messages? How can I see my updates? So I can make a new post, but I can't, you know, but I can't do it. Maps. And maybe when I'm on the Google Maps, you know, maybe I can see it somewhere. But guess what? Photos, questions and answers, reviews, yes? You see? Results. I can't see posts here. So I can't see what I've posted and see it, you know, like, really? It just, they making it worse rather than making it better. Unbelievable. I know how to find it otherwise, yes, but you know, come on, people, your Google, you should have brains over there to show you. So you see, so you've got, what I wanted to show you is, let me switch the share of the screen, because I wanted to show you one thing. Bad things happen. That's why I want to show you this. Okay. Oh, now I've got updates. Now I can show you the updates. Okay. Not this one. This one. Yes, this one. So okay. So what happened? Yes, was that. Look, tragic happened. Yes. First time ever. One of my customers had a TV repair done. I've created a video even yesterday for him, and today we've tested before the collection. Yes, a customer allowed me to, you know, to use this photo, so that's okay. But it's on my, you know, it's on my Google business. So what happened, yes, was that I fixed that TV. It was only reset of RAM, guys. Only through the service menu, you just go inside and you're doing it, yes? And that's all, guys. That's everything. I've done it. I've spent more time on testing it than on doing it, yes? I wouldn't even call it a fix because, you know, but it was. Customer came to me with this TV. And customer went, I assume satisfied because seen thing working. And unfortunately, during the, I think, transport or mounting this food, I don't know, you know, it happened that it cracked. You've got no idea how it feels if you fix things and then you see them in such condition. It's just unbelievable. But come on, it is what it is. You can't do anything about it, and that's it. You know, so what you see is what you get, yes. So yeah, so customer knew that it was his fault. There are no issues with me whatsoever. So for now, I can say my 5-star rating will stay the way it is. But you know, the sad thing is that watch out when you're handling devices, yes, and watch out, because it's, you know, it's really sad and costly as well. Can be costly. So this, guys, you see an update from my Google side of the business, and as I'm saying, I've got more customers through some Facebook Marketplace. You know, I'm posting something that I'm repairing, so I've got more of those than from Google. So Facebook works better. Google, it works, but it's not, you know, it's not like superb. Yes, that I could say, wow, that's the most. That's less. So that's why I would give it a shot if they are giving me £400 credit to maybe adjust those ads somehow, to get a paid one, because I've got a help now, so I've got more work. I'm possible to go through more of the work. But if I see what I see, you know, 2,000 to 3,900, and I don't see more customers, I wouldn't say it's worth. So how many I need to have? 10,000 views per month to have what, 5 customers more per, you know, per week? So then again, how much it will cost me to have those five customers more per week, you know? Because if I have to pay more than £5 per customer, I'd say I'd rather print out leaflets and make some good promotion and just, you know, go to busy places where people are the most and just leave it over there, yes, than, you know, than do Google, because it's not worth it, just literally not worth. If I can get you know, if I can get some project done for the community and this way show to my community, then more people will know me automatically, and that will cost me much less because that's permanent. Once I'll do some project for the community, I've got, you know, I've got constant advertisement, whereas for Google I need to pay always for this one new customer, and that's the price per customer. So it has to be either cheap, like up to £5 per customer, because that's okay, or for me, paying £10 for a customer, I wouldn't say it's worth. It's really not worth. Yes, so I don't know. You tell me if you know a good way of attracting more customers through Google. I'll be happy to read about it, because I've got no time to go and YouTube it, Google it, and so on to find how to have great success with that. I know I've got another man who can help me with jobs, so I need more work because this guy would like to earn some money as well. But that's it in this video. If possible, please hit that like button, yes, or subscribe, and see you in the next video. And if possible, let's fix them all. Thank you for being with me, and thank you for spending time on watching those videos on this YouTube channel. Thank you guys. All the best. Hope to see you in the future. Bye bye.